Greetings, everybody, and thank you for being here. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am so happy and thrilled to see my group growing so much. And with that being said, there are a couple of things that I've been noticing with my coaching sessions with various students. So because I notice a pattern with a lot of people making the same types of mistakes, I'm going to use this video to kind of highlight those mistakes and help everyone build on your structure and your discipline when it comes to trading Forex. I'm going to use analyzing gold as the example for this video and just kind of giving you guys an idea as to what my process looks like because this is so important for you guys to have structure and discipline and a routine when it comes to your trading. All right, so let's get into it. So we're going to be talking about a few things today. And the first one I want to talk about is when to use stop orders and limit orders. All right, so right now gold is at a very beautiful position to start looking for some entries. So with the current price around 24.97, when the market opens, it looks like there's a lot of bullish momentum. It's going to push the price up a little bit. If you're not familiar with what an inflection point is, inflection points are areas on the chart where the market shifts. So it could be shifting to buyers, it can be shifting to sellers, it can be at a strong support zone and a strong area of resistance. So right now, the inflection point for gold is right around 25.06. All right, so this is a very important area for you to pay attention to when it comes to gold, because this area serves as a strong area of resistance. You can look back previous times and you can see that when the price shot up to 25.06, the price shot down. At the same time, this is also a strong support zone. As you can see right here, the price was at 25.21 and then it dropped pretty close to 25.06. Looks like it dropped down to 25.04 and then it shot back up again. So we can bet our last dollar that this price point is going to be tested several times. Okay, so what you want to do in this particular situation is you want to have a limit order probably at 25.05, and then you can use a buy stop at 25.06. The strategy behind this is if the price is going to break this resistance, then most likely gold could shoot up to 25.20. And we also saw 25.28 for NFP on Friday. Usually the momentum is very strong with gold in either direction. At the same time, we don't know if the price is going to break this area of resistance. So we could also try a limit order around 25.05, and we can keep those stop losses fairly tight, maybe around 20 to 50 pips, give or take. When it comes to trading gold, you either have to use smaller lot sizes or fewer positions because gold has a lot of volatility, huge volumes, and tends to make very big moves. So those are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to trading gold. But the reward for trading gold is much more in comparison to your traditional Forex currency pairs. All right, so let's dig into this a little bit deeper. When it comes to trading, you should have a set time per day or times per day that you want to trade. All right. And you follow this, every single week. All right. So as soon as you come to the charts, all right, you want to, first off, everybody should have a watch list. All right. And you can see here, this is my watch list. So these are the currencies that I am most interested in. So when I start my day, this is what I'm looking at. And then I briefly go through each of my currency pairs and make sure you're using your notepad on your computer. So like this right here is my notepad currently. So after I analyze a currency pair, I will make a signal off of that information. Now, for those of you who are students in my program, each of you have an analysis checklist that highlights everything that you should be looking at when it comes to trading. When you go through my Forex coaching program, you're supposed to be looking for these types of things every time that you trade so that when you start trading live, you start to do these things intuitively. So all of my signals and trades factor in the things from my analysis checklist. And because I've done it so much, I don't need to use the analysis checklist because I factor it in anyway. Okay, so that's very important that we get into the habit of doing that. Use your notepad on your computer to keep track of your signals. And then once you have your trades that you want to place, then you go to your MetaTrader 4, and your MetaTrader 4 should kind of be like your last screening before you place the trades. Now, this is something that a lot of people misuse or misunderstand, and that is how to use your demo accounts. All right, so everyone should have at least two demo accounts. And here's the reason why. When you're first learning how to trade Forex, you need a demo account so that you can just practice placing trades, practice doing all types of stuff, and getting familiar with the MetaTrader 4 and the MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, so when you're going through my coaching program, for example, you should have a demo account that's specifically for that. All right. Now, once you get past my coaching program and you're finally ready to start trading live, you should have a second demo account. All right. So let me explain why this is so important. When you start trading, right, you already have the trades you want to make. So all the trades that you were putting down on your notepad, you're now going to place those trades on your demo account first. All right. The reason why is because a lot of times when you place a trade, it's going to pull back, it's going to retrace, or or maybe it's a bad trade. Maybe you misunderstood the situation and you got the trade wrong. By making those mistakes on your demo account first, saves you from making bad trades on your live accounts. There's so many times when I place my trades on my demo account first, the price pulls back 20, 30, 50 pips. And then I'm like, okay, wow, you know what? This is the actual entry that I should have had. And then I place that trade on my live account and it turns out much better. All right. So these are some things that are very important. Now, with that being said, I realize this is a lot to learn for some people. Another thing that's very common is people are telling me, hey, you know what, Jeremy, I work a full-time job, I have a family, I have a million things going on, and I really just don't have time to really go through all of this. All right, that's perfectly fine. I completely understand. My first job is as a coach. I want to teach you how to do this so that you don't need anybody. But if that's not your situation, or maybe, you know what, Forex is just kind of, out of your um, realm, so to speak. I get it. That's why you can copy my trades now. Okay, so for those of you who are just like, you know what, I really don't have time to learn this, or I need to take my time learning, I get it. And that's why I have made it possible for you to automatically be able to copy my trades. All right. So here are 5 accounts that I currently have that are available for you to copy from. Please note, you do need an offshore broker to copy my trades. And you also need to make sure your broker allows signal providers inside your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 platform, because not all brokers allow signal providers for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 through MQL5. Okay, but nonetheless, these 5 accounts are doing very well. My win ratios are ranging between 73% and 89%, which I think is phenomenal. My drawdowns is pretty low, and my accounts are steadily growing. So these are all very good signs that I'm trading very well. And you can also see I have plenty of activity as well. As time goes on, these accounts are going to build, and each of these accounts will be 6-figure accounts. Um, I can't tell you exactly how long it's going to take, but these are going to be massive accounts over time. That's one option. Another option you have, and this is only for people who are members inside my program, I will even trade your account for you. You guys have to understand, uh, out of all the retail traders who trade Forex, only about 10% are profitable. And out of that 10%, only the top 5% are actually making a living from Forex. I am part of that top 5% who actually makes a living from Forex. I'm a full-time Forex coach, and I'm a full-time Forex trader. So if you want to be successful with trading Forex, you really need somebody who is actually successful with it. And most of the people who are successful with Forex have someone like me in their corner, that's either doing the trading for them, giving them signals, or some level of support, and being part of an actual group that's also doing very well. So if that's your situation, make sure you go to my website and you join my program on the packages section. If you need help with Galileo, I am the only person that I know of that has public trading accounts for verification that people can follow. And I'm the only one that I really know of that's successful with it. There are other people that I know are successful with Galileo, but those people are not on social media, and those people don't want to be bothered by other traders because they got into Forex just for themselves, which is fine. That's what most people get into. That's the reason most people get into Forex anyway. But the only reason I am able to do this, and what separates me from a lot of those people, is that I am a Forex coach, and I have a group on Facebook. I have my YouTube channel. I have my own Forex program. So I have the structure to be able to handle as many people as I want to, who want to learn how to trade Forex. Most people don't have that structure to be able to do what I do. And that's what kind of separates me apart from other people who do this. Some people, they get started on this and they see, wow, this is way too much work. It's way too hard dealing with new people, especially brand new traders. They're here today and gone tomorrow. I have been doing this for years. At this point, this is my job, this is my career, and I absolutely love what I do. All right. I'm going to make another video with the process to copy my accounts so that you guys can see how to do that as well. But for the most part, I just wanted to make sure you guys understood how to use your demo accounts, how to use stop orders, limit orders. Oh, and another thing I wanted to get into was the times of the day. All right. This is very important. So there are times of the day that you need to be very aware of. Between 10 p.m. Eastern time and 4 a.m. Eastern time is like the time period you want to start looking at the start trading. That's when you have like the most activity. And then the biggest time period is from like 8 a.m. till I want to say 11 a.m. Eastern time. If you want the best trading opportunities, you need to be trading during those time frames. All right. So that's it for this video. Thank you to everyone who's coming aboard. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure after you join my program, you send a request to join my private group on Facebook. All right. I share so much in there. You definitely want to be part of it. All right. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I look forward to working with each and every one of you. All right. Thank you and have a great day.